we're gonna have a little fun. What I got for you is 99 pineapples, 99 proof, or those that need to know what's the alcohol by volume, 49.5%. So got in this little fun little one shotter here, single serving. So we're gonna go ahead and just pour all that right there because we want to get to know it. Oh, smells like a Cactus Cooler. It is pineapple. It's very, very pineapple. Here we go. Pineapples, juicy. Actually doesn't even smell like alcohol. It doesn't smell like alcohol at all. I'm not getting anything but pineapple pulp. I'm getting the whole pineapple, except for the rind or the skin. Yeah, that's pineapple. A lot more potent on the nose. Boozy with the pineapple on the flavor. That one's a little burny. But pineapple, creamy. I guess all of their stuff has got like that creamy texture, which makes it a lot easier than it being watery or real thick. I think that works well. I think that works good. Majority of the 99s are used as mixers anyway. Not a lot of people do them as shots or or as sipping situations, but I mean, I can't speak for everyone, but I could usually sip on some of these things, but I usually would use these for mixers. As a standalone item, this pineapple, the fragrance is more potent. The pineapple is just complementing the actual liqueur itself. Don't expect too much out of it. Just put it and mix it in whatever you want to give it that pineapple hit. That's all I can say about this. So I'm going to leave it at that, and you guys have a good one. Cheers.